God, how's it going, man?
Are we, Stevie boy?
Stevie. You alright?
Are we?
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Just Steve, boy.
It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
And take over. No, very funny right there.
Welcome to our channel. My name's Aisling. I'm Lisa. What's your highlight of today so far?
Met some great people on this tour. It's been fantastic. But my highlight has been Alan James getting held off.
What's been your highlight so far?
My bond with Scott.
Singing in the back of the car.
I like the cookies. Ashlene's driving.
That's all for now, guys.
There'll be selfie section on as well. I hope this doesn't pick up Boyle.
It does.
Shit.